MCX IPF presents Commodities Trade.
Higher inflation is currently a key risk that is top of mind for many investors. As such, the role of commodities has gained special interest given recent positive performance and the possible impacts of decarbonization policies. Investing in commodities is the most powerful way to hedge against unexpected inflation, pointing to a concept known as inflation beta, an asset's predicted reaction to unit of inflation. Vanguard found over the last decade, commodities rose between 7 and 8% for every 1% of unexpected inflation. While markets factor a certain level of inflation into the prices of assets, unexpected inflation can wreak havoc on portfolios by diminishing investors' purchasing power, making effective inflation hedges all the more valuable. The chart shows food and energy inflation since 1970. It takes into account 5 instances since then. The top row shows you the years when we have seen the start and end of high inflation periods and distinct jumps in inflation arising out of food and energy inflation. These are annual changes in the percentage points, and the bottom row shows the return from the Bloomberg Commodity Index. The returns are correspondingly high when the spike in prices for food and energy also is higher. It depicts that commodities hedge inflation well in general, and it hedges particularly well when inflation is driven by food and energy, a key force of inflationary shocks. Let's now look at the average nominal annual return of different asset classes for the years in which inflation was below median and rising between 1992 to 2020. This example, we've taken US average inflation at around 1.9%, and as can be seen, energy, industrial metals, precious metals outperformed the traditional asset classes during the periods of low and rising US inflation. Crude oil clearly is historically moved very closely with inflation given the higher weightage that it has in CPI inflation basket, and as oil is used in all parts of economy from fueling, transportation to heating homes to powering factories. This data is put out by JP Morgan, Barclays, Bloomberg, FactSet. However, this relationship is likely to be challenged in the future as energy demand changes from fossil fuels to renewable sources. While the clean energy trend has gained momentum in equity markets since 2020, it hasn't been matched with the same momentum in displacing the use of fossil fuels yet.
MCX IPF presents Commodities Trade.
Brought to you by MCX IPF.